Ladies and gentlemen, my wife, Sarah, and I are so honored and equally grateful to be invited to join you tonight as you gather together from other parts of our beloved country to commemorate and celebrate 50 years, the golden anniversary of the establishment of the Fiji Dental Association and its valuable contributions to dental care and oral health of all Fijians. Now, at the outset, please allow me to convey our personal congratulations and that of government and all our citizens to the Fiji Dental Association management and all its national members in the private sector, the Ministry of Health and Medical Services, and the Fiji National University, which is now the national tertiary institution, charged with the training and higher education of our present and future dental officers. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it will be remiss of me if I do not, at this stage, also acknowledge and commend and congratulate the newly appointed President of the Fiji Dental Association, Dr. Naidu, on his being handed over the reins of leadership and management from the former President, Dr. Vikas Singh, whom I believe did a sterling job during his tenure as your President. To the Association's newly appointed President, Dr. Naidu, I'd like to also wish you well and every success. As you assume your role as a new captain of the ship, which are expected to sail in some very uncharted waters as you maneuver through many challenges in the Association's collective efforts to improve service deliveries to members of our various communities who are now becoming more selective and very critical of the overall national health care system. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's always an honor and pleasure as your President and Head of State to attend such an auspicious and historic occasion like tonight's Gala night, in which one has the opportunity to meet so many professionals and like-minded individuals like your good selves, but more importantly, to thank you individually and collectively for your tremendous progress and achievements and contributions to good oral care and health for all Fijians. It's also a very momentous and memorable event worth commemorating and celebrating, given the dedication and sacrifice that your predecessors and the present generation of your colleagues had done and continue to do in improving the health and well-being of our citizens. Ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, please allow me to take us back through memory lane and remind us once again about the short history and humble beginnings of the Dental Association and dentistry in Fiji. Dental training in Fiji began in 1945 when Fiji's colonial administrators and government established the Central Medical School and included in its medical training syllabus and curriculum a 4-year course for assistant dental practitioners. Now, this early pioneer training initiative was progressively modified and upgraded to a 4-year diploma dentistry program for Fiji's first qualified dentists. Within the health and medical sector, the field of dentistry and other associated disciplines were subsequently reviewed over the past 5 decades and expanded to include dental therapists, dental hygienists, junior dental assistants, and dental technicians. Now, in 1993, a 5-year undergraduate Bachelor in Dental Surgery program was introduced and became the first degree program for dentistry in Fiji. Now, this was followed in 2013 with the inclusion of another undergraduate course in Bachelor of Oral Health. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I have been reliably informed that the local development and training in dentistry culminated in 2017 with the introduction and conduct of a postgraduate program of Masters in Oral Surgery. Now, undoubtedly, tremendous and commendable development and progress has been achieved in the field of dentistry in Fiji, and I believe that the vast majority of dental practitioners who are present here tonight are the products of our Fijian oral dental education system. A deservedly proud, well-trained and qualified select group of professionals and alumni of our National University and Dental School. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as a small and developing nation, I contend that we can all be justifiably proud of our progress in the field of dentistry, and we should continue to appreciate and support our dental practitioners and the invaluable contributions to Fiji's overall nation-building efforts. In this regard, may I congratulate and commend the Fiji Dental Association for all its achievements, particularly its dental practitioner members, who are the products of our institutions and whom I believe we can refer to as another group of professionals who are making their mark in society as we collectively promote the Made in Fiji brand. Now, the Fiji Dental Association, comprising of dental practitioners from the private sector, government and academia, was initially established prior to 1970 to primarily provide collegial support and enhance the development and growth of the dental workforce and care for our people. It was formally and legally acknowledged and recognized at the Fiji Dental Association on the 12th of November, 1971 by an Act of Parliament, the Medical and Dental Practitioners Act, Cap 225, and officially mandated to be responsible for the welfare and professional development of its members to preserve and promote the oral health of our communities. Now, ladies and gentlemen, today the Fiji Dental Association continues to contribute positively to Fiji's overall national development in health and the medical sector by bringing in all dental practitioners under the ambit of the forum to utilize their vast professional expertise in improving and enhancing service delivery and standards in the country. Now, further to its primary role, the association also facilitates the ongoing and continual professional development of our dental practitioners by establishing and fostering partnerships with other stakeholders both locally and internationally. Inclusive networking through private and public partnerships has greatly enhanced the association's capabilities over the years since its formation. Now, ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, I deem it proper, as it would be remiss of me if I do not also acknowledge and pay tribute to the founders and pioneer members of the Dental Association whose vision and foresight saw the need to establish and register an association to be the forum and voice of the dental profession in Fiji, to ensure that our people have access to quality oral health and care through continuing professional development and peer support of its members. It's good to hear some of the names being called out earlier on. Thank you, congratulations, well done. And I've been told that a good friend of mine, our first dental officer who accompanied us to the Middle East when Fiji became involved in peacekeeping, Dr. Mansour Ali, I met him some years back, and I believe he's around. I look forward to catching up with him after this. Now, since its inception, the association has a present membership of about 60 dental practitioners. It has undergone many changes and has evolved to become an important partner in the global community's pursuit of universal health coverage. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as the hub of the Pacific, it is also commendable to note that the association does not only cater to the needs of our people, but also assist in the development of the dental care and oral hygiene of our Pacific neighbors. Now, in this regard, the association continuously invites and interacts with dental practitioners from our neighboring Pacific Island countries like Samoa, Tonga, Solomon Islands, Vanuatu, Niue, Cook Islands, Kiribati, Tuvalu, Nauru, and a few Micronesian island territories. Now, professional interaction with our regional neighbors and colleagues enables them to participate in our oral hygiene training and development programs, thus strengthening our bilateral relations as Pacific peoples. Now, the Fiji Dental Association also collaborated with dental associations and volunteer groups in both Australia and New Zealand, with the Fiji National University Dental School in expanding postgraduate training of our local and regional dental practitioners. Now, this networking promotes ongoing mentorship whilst keeping our practitioners connected, motivated, and current with the latest developments and the ever-changing procedures and technologies. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fiji Dental Association is also a member of the august body of the International Dental Federation. Now, this is the most commendable achievement for Fiji, as it enables our dental fraternity to be included and recognized in a global forum in which our views and opinions could be presented to and discussed. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the COVID-19 pandemic has inevitably and unfortunately compelled humanity to change the way we will have to interact and perhaps survive as a global community and one of the many harsh realities and changes are the increased levels of awareness of healthy lifestyles and other related social issues. And you all know about that. In view of this, and as to be expected, the global medical health authorities of all nations have had to create a new norm in dental care and dentistry in general, and Fiji is no exception in the manner in which this important facet of health and medical services will have to function. Ladies and gentlemen, it is so heartening to see that the Fijian Dental Association has kept up with global trends in recent years through the continuing professional development of its members via online learning like webinars and Zoom. And I believe the conference discussions that were held here today is a testament to the upskilling improvements required for the new norm of the oral health and service delivery procedures and systems needed to be implemented here in Fiji and within the region. Now, in conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations once again to the Fiji Dental Association in your golden 50th anniversary, and may I wish the association and our dental practitioners well and every success in your future endeavors. Have an enjoyable evening, stay safe, and may Almighty God bless you all and our beloved nation. Tawaliavu, Tanyavad, Sukriya, Payakshan. Thank you all.